Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood for crypto. To begin, simply open your Robinhood app and navigate to the crypto section. You can access and trade over 30 popular digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, directly from your existing brokerage account. One of the key benefits is that Robinhood offers commission-free trading for most cryptocurrency transactions, meaning you generally won't pay extra fees when you buy or sell. This makes it straightforward to get started with digital asset investing. Buying and selling crypto on Robinhood is quite simple. To buy, select the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount in dollars or units, and then review your order before submitting. For selling, choose the crypto you wish to liquidate, specify the quantity, and confirm the transaction. Robinhood primarily uses market orders, which means your trade will execute at the best available price at that moment. This streamlined process allows for quick and efficient trading of your digital assets. Managing your crypto portfolio on Robinhood is intuitive. Your main dashboard provides a clear overview of all your digital asset holdings, showing their current value and performance. You can easily track real-time market data, including price charts, and even set custom price alerts to stay informed. For greater control, download the separate Robinhood Wallet app. This self-custody wallet allows you to hold your own private keys and send or receive supported cryptocurrencies to and from other wallets. Before investing, it's crucial to understand that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and carry significant market risk. Prices can fluctuate dramatically, and you could lose your entire investment. Also, remember that any gains from your crypto trades may be subject to capital gains taxes, so consult a tax professional. Robinhood reports certain crypto transactions to the IRS. Always invest responsibly, only putting in funds you are comfortable losing, and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions in this dynamic space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.